Starting an emergency reset on your iPhone 16 allows you to quickly revoke access to your personal information and location from potentially unsafe individuals during critical situations. Here's how it's done. First, return to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, scroll to the bottom and tap on Safety Check. To continue, tap on Emergency Reset. Then, tap on Start Emergency Reset again. In the succeeding window, tap on Reset People and Apps. Finally, tap on Reset to confirm. At this point, you will be prompted with on-screen instructions to follow, like adding a trusted phone number, choosing to update your Apple ID password now or later, or update your device passcode if prompted. You can also add emergency contacts by tapping Add Emergency Contact and then tap Continue. Otherwise, tap Quick Exit or Back. When the safety check is complete, tap Done. This feature on your iPhone 16 provides a quick way to protect your privacy and security in emergency situations. It resets access for all people and apps, updates critical security settings, and ensures your emergency contacts are up to date. It's an important tool for maintaining your safety and privacy when you feel your personal information might be at risk. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.